All right, so this one you have to come up with the structures. Okay, what's it look like? When you have a molecular formula, first thing first, do DOU. Okay, just don't have to think, just do DOU. So DOU, so 3 and then 6 hydrogen, DOU of 1. All right, so which means either a ring or a double bond. All right, but what do you see right here? We have the peak. This in region number 4, so above 150. This is in region 4, right? So you can guess that, hey, there's a carbonyl carbon, and the carbonyl carbon, you have CO, a double bond. That's a DOU of 1. You should be able to look at that, like right there. We have um, and I'm going to go with, so you have option acid ester amide, right? So we have which show the peak below 200. There's no amide for sure. We don't have the nitrogen in it. Okay, so you down with ester or acid. All right. So look at C, double bond O and O, look like that. Now what next? Well, we have a signal at B. Okay, this has to be about 50 carbon connect to chlorine, maybe, but we don't have chlorine in here. Well, I'm gonna guess that something has to de-shield this carbon. Otherwise, if this carbon is gonna be down really down low right here, really upfield, really shielded. All right, so something has to de-shield it. I'm gonna guess it's gonna be the oxygen. It has to be carbon next to the oxygen. I don't know why the chemical shape is not a 60, but it's only explanation. Okay, if without this oxygen, this carbon peaks would have been like on the region number 1 below 50, but right now it's above 50, or maybe slightly above, about 50. Something has to de-shield it, and the only thing that can de-shield a carbon is only oxygen that we have here. Okay, look like we got an ester, and the last one, A, is a regular carbon. All right, so that's come up. Can be we don't have the structure yet. Now look at the off resonance decoupled. Okay, so singlet, well, obviously, so this carbon has no hydrogen on it, right? So that's carbonyl carbon. We got a quartet right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's a quartet. So this carbon is a CH3. You can guess that. And we have another quartet, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is another quartet. So this carbon is also a CH3. Put everything together. It's that guy. There we go. This peak right here, quartet, and a singlet. You know that? Yeah, that's how this works. All right. All right, move on to the next technique called depth.